Hello guys, welcome to DennisTechTips. In this video, I am going to show you how to download and set up Visual Studio Code, which is also referred to as VS Code on your PC. Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a powerful source code editor by Microsoft and is available for Windows, macOS and Linux. There are many code editors out there, but in my opinion, Visual Studio Code is by far the best. It comes with built-in support for JavaScript, TypeScript and node.js, and has a rich ecosystem of extensions for other languages and runtimes like C++, JavaScript, Python, PHP and more. It is free and open source. To download VS Code on your PC, head over to Microsoft Store and search for Visual Studio Code. There you see it in the search results. Click on the Get button to install. Or head over to your browser and search for code.visualstudiocode.com. The link is in the description of this video. When the site is open, right here you see these buttons that you can use to download VS Code on your PC. Click on the one that matches the operating system you are using, whether it's Windows, Linux or Mac. And immediately you click on the download button, your download is going to kick off. When the download is done, click on the exe to begin the install process. After downloading and installing VS Code, when you launch it, you are going to see something like this. Now we are going to install some extensions. Head over to the extensions panel and search for Prettier. And you get this Prettier code formatter. With Prettier, you can format your code and make it look pretty as the name implies. It formats your code every time you save it to save you the stress of formatting. Prettier is a very popular extension, and you can see it has almost 25 million downloads. Click on the install button to download the extension. I already have Prettier installed right here. Next, let's install Live Server. This is another extension that enables you to launch your website in a development web server with a live reload feature. With this extension, anytime you save your code, you will see the changes reflected in the browser. Live Server is another popular extension with over 25 million downloads. There are many other extensions you can install, such as CSS Peek that enables you to swiftly move to the right CSS code by class or ID. Code Spell Checker to help with correct spelling. Just search for Visual Studio Code extensions on Google to see the ones that you need, because you are not going to need them all, just a few. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like, support this channel by subscribing, and turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video like this. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.